Good morning, all students of Standard 4. Please open your English Reader book and see Chapter 1. Now I will describe the story Henry the Chameleon. I will describe the story in brief, so all of you listen carefully. Ruskin Bond is the author of this story. In this story, the author tells about Henry. Would you like to know who was Henry? Henry was the chameleon. Henry was the name of a chameleon. First of all chameleons are not ordinary reptiles. In this story, the author tells that chameleons are different from other reptiles. Chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. It has a rigid crest on its head. It has long and slender limbs. Its fingers and toes are more developed than other reptiles. It has unique eye. Henry could move his one eye without disturbing the other. People believe that chameleons are dangerous and poisonous. So, one day when he was in the garden, some people were throwing stones and a stick at the chameleon who was sitting on a shrub. People were throwing stones and a stick at the chameleon who was sitting on a shrub. That time, while visiting a friend in the country, the author's grandfather saw the chameleon in his garden. He saved the little reptile and brought the little reptile home. Thus, the chameleon came to live with them. The author loved the chameleon very much. So, he named the little reptile Henry. Henry not trusted anyone. Henry not trusted anyone. He was always careful. The author loved to tickle Henry on his ribs, but he did not like it. When the author tickled Henry on his ribs, he would always fly into a great rage. Henry was non-violent. In the eyes of author, Henry was a harmless creature. He could not bite anyone. He was peace-loving creature. One day, when author's grandfather sent a basket of papaya to Mrs. Ghosh from their garden, you know who was Mrs. Ghosh? Mrs. Ghosh was the principal of nursery school. So, grandfather sent a basket of papaya to Mrs. Ghosh, who was the principal of nursery school, from their garden. Henry also smuggles himself into the basket. He could change his color. So, when the basket of papaya reached the school, that time Henry changed his color green like papaya. When the principal of school opened the basket of papaya and take out papaya from basket, suddenly Henry jumped from the basket. The principal screamed. Henry screamed too. He was frightened. The children of school tried to catch him, but he jumped from the window and disappeared into the garden. After this incident, the author thought that he would never see Henry again. After this incident, the author thought he will never see Henry again. He was very sad. But after 3 days, the author saw Henry came back on the author's garden wall. What did author see? Author saw Henry came back on the garden wall, on the author's garden wall. He became very happy to see him. Author became very happy to see him. I think you all understand this story very well. Now, I would like to say that you must read this story thoroughly. If you have any problem to understand the difficult word, you must underline them and you must write them in your copy. I will solve your problem when we will meet again. It's okay? Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.